Hey, what's up everybody? About to do a quick twist out video, just like a time lapse to show y'all like what it looks like before and after I take my twists out. This is the first time I got twists actually. I've had them in for about a week and a half now, but yeah. This is the oil I'm gonna be using to take them out. I just like to put a little bit of oil on my fingertips and on my hair as I take them out. This just makes it a little bit easier and quicker to get them out. And it keeps your hair a little shinier. But yeah, week and a half, it's getting a little rusty. It's time to take them out. Do a wash there afterwards. But yeah, see you at the end. These twists in for about a week and a half. I mean, no products, nothing, just it's not bad. Not bad. Definitely need some more practice with this. Yeah, if there's anything y'all saw that I could do differently or do better, please let me know. If it looks alright, also let me know. If you hated the video, also let me know. If you liked the video, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please. Let's do a quick length check right quick over my glasses. Damn. Bet. Till next time.